Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And today in this video I want to show you how you can create an easily table of content in Microsoft Word. So basically follow me step by step. This is a very easy tutorial and easy method. So first of all, what you have to do is if you are using a Word and there is a report, and I give you a very short and easy example so you can easily understand. So let's suppose this is a title page of your report. All right, so I can large the font size. So this is a title page, let's suppose. So and the next page is table of content. All right, table of content. So this is a table of content page, and the third one is your headings, like suppose any kind of headings, right? All right, so heading number one, let's suppose heading number one. So this, and each heading has a paragraph. All right, so all right, so heading number one have a paragraph of, like, I just lorem ipsum text. So if I go to the lorem ipsum, this is a very this is a rough text for your example to understand the thing of and assume like that this is your report. So every content, I just control E. So every content, uh, every heading have each paragraph. So let's suppose this is a heading number one. All right, this is a heading number two, this is a heading number three, and this is a heading number four, and this is a heading number five. So there are five headings. Let's suppose, like it's a 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what I'm doing right now, let's revise. The first one is title page, suppose, and the second is table of content, and another thing is your report is continued. Okay, I don't know what are you typing on the report, but let's take an example of it. So what how you can making an index from your headings and reports and these all type of things. So first of all, select your heading number one. All right, first of all, select your heading number one, and there is an you have to open the tab of home in a Microsoft Word, and you can see there is a heading number 1, 2, and title. So this is a heading number one, and we know we are going to make an index. So what we are doing right now, just click on the heading number one. All right, like this. Just click on the heading number one, like this, like this, like this. What I'm doing right now, all the headings I selected, and I go to the home tab and select it to the heading number one. All right, so another thing is that if you are using subheadings like this, that's like I'm typing, let's suppose, parts of heading number 4. This is a subheading, and subheading has a let's suppose has a paragraph of 3-4 lines, like this. So this is the part of heading number 1. So I just select it and take it name as a heading number 2. So in index, heading number 4 has a part of heading number 4. So this is included in a subheading. So basically I'm selected all the headings. So what I'm doing right now, so after all the things and all the selected to the heading number 1 and 2, like this subheading, what we are doing right now, we just click on the reference tab, and we are coming to the table of content and the reference tab, and as you can see on the left corner, we have a table of content. We are just click on it, and as you can see, there is a heading number 1 and 2, just like so. Automatic table, just go to the automatic table, not manual table, because in the table of manual table, you are required to enter the entries and all of the headings, names, and all things. So basically we are trying to approach the automatic table number 1. So just select it. So as you can see, as you can see, this is a very easy, so easy for if you are a student and you are making a report and there is in some circumstances you are facing, so this is a very easy method. So thanks for watching, and once again I'm going to revise for you. Let's suppose this is a report and this is the title page, this is the table content. So what I'm doing right now, all of the heading and subheadings as selected, subheading as selected as a heading number 2, and the first heading is selected as a heading number 1. So after that, when you are going to the table of content and just go to the reference page and selected the table of content, just you are select to the automatic table number 1. As you can see, this is our table of content create. So thanks for watching.